And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
Obviously, some changes have to take place if we're forecasting snow for the morning tomorrow and an impact on the Thursday morning commute. Can't snow when it's 46 degrees like it is in Taunton or 45 in Newport or 42 in Coventry. These temperatures have to come down. And on paper today, these temperatures were nice. We don't have a lot of 40-degree days in the forecast for the rest of the month, but this one turned out to be mild. It came with wind again, though. Southwesterly winds that were gusting up to 25, 30, even 35 miles an hour. But it's the southwesterly direction that tugs up the milder air, and that's the reason why our temperatures were able to spike so much higher than most of the days so far this month in January. Now, up and down the East Coast, really cold in Maine, but from about New Hampshire south, there's a lot of 40s and 50s. Temperatures were nice, but back off to the west, obviously when you go from 40s and 50s to 30s to 20s to teens, there's got to be a frontal boundary here somewhere. It's dividing some milder air with some frigid Arctic air behind it. That's the change that's coming our way. And here it is. The frontal boundary draped to the west of us right now. Most of the rain is to our south and west. But as this front moves through, at first, it's really mild, and mild's relative. I mean, temperatures upper 30s to around 40 degrees when the precipitation arrives sometime about 4 or 5 a.m. And it falls as some rain. But once the front moves through, the diving cold air moves in as well. So your temperature tonight as it falls will keep dropping tomorrow, turns rain over to snow, and it bursts right in the morning during the morning commute, which is badly timed. So here are your overnight lows. And there's your rain coming in later, right? Watch your high temperatures. Oh, wait a minute, they're the same thing. They're a little lower. It doesn't make any sense. That's because your temperature just flatlines all day tomorrow. Snow comes down mainly in the morning, probably tapers off around noon. I wouldn't say like the snow rates jump out on paper as like they can't keep up with it, but it will be enough that anytime snow comes down during the morning hours like we have in the forecast, and it works out to be during a morning commute, visibilities will be reduced. You know it'll be a slow go. If there are any parking bans, we have a link on ABC6. You can check it out. I do believe there are a couple parking bans that are now coming in, and therefore it's not a huge storm in terms of accumulation, but poorly timed with the morning commute for Thursday. So for tonight, we know the clouds have to build in. Check, we got that. After midnight, more towards like almost daybreak, some precipitation breaks out. But look at your temperatures, mid to upper 30s. It'll be mainly rain at first. And then as the temperatures drop through the morning commute, we turn it over to all snow. That changeover will take longer for the south coast of southeastern Mass, Cape Cod, and islands. Snow will come down during the morning hours, light to moderate at times, and then by the early afternoon from northwest to southeast moving on out. Then the frigid air dives down south, and it gets really cold as we go into Thursday night into Friday. This is your Friday morning temperatures. You also see a few snow showers for the Cape on Friday. That is ocean effect snow that will only affect the Cape. The rest of us will be sunny and just very chilly. So snowfall forecast didn't change the graphic from last night. Still a swath of 1 to 3 inches, and with a little bit of mixing for New Bedford and Cape Cod and Islands, we went with a coating to 1 inch. Frigid air dives south. Brr for Friday. Storm system for Saturday looks like mainly a swing and a miss. I put a snowflake there just to remind you that if your travels take you south and east towards the Cape, there could be a little snow. Otherwise, it's a miss and it's quiet until the middle of next week with temperatures in the 30s. John.
Jeff, still to come on ABC.